Hey everyone, today we're diving into a topic that's super important for everyone. Building an emergency fund. Life is full of unexpected surprises, and having a financial safety net can make all the difference when things go off track. Whether it's an unexpected car repair, a medical emergency, or even a sudden job loss, an emergency fund is your first line of defense. So, let's get started on how you can create and maintain your very own financial safety net. Before you start saving, it's important to know how much you need. A good rule of thumb is to aim for 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. This includes rent or mortgage payments, utilities, groceries, transportation, insurance, and any other essential expenses. The exact amount will depend on your personal circumstances, such as your job stability, health, and family size. Start with a smaller goal, like $1,000, and gradually work your way up. To avoid the temptation of dipping into your emergency fund for non-emergencies, open a separate savings account dedicated solely to this purpose. Ideally, this account should be easily accessible in case of an emergency, but not so accessible that you're tempted to use it for everyday spending. Consider a high-yield savings account to earn a bit of interest while you save. The best way to ensure you consistently save is to automate the process. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your emergency fund savings account. This can be weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, depending on your pay schedule. Start with a manageable amount, even if it's just $20 a week. Over time, this will add up without you even noticing. Creating an emergency fund is all about making it a priority in your budget. Take a close look at your monthly expenses and see where you can cut back. Maybe it's eating out less often, canceling unused subscriptions, or finding a cheaper phone plan. Redirect those savings into your emergency fund. Remember, every little bit helps, and those small adjustments can quickly add up. Once your emergency fund starts to grow, it can be tempting to dip into it for things that aren't really emergencies, like vacations or shopping sprees. But remember, this money is your safety net for serious, unforeseen events. Only use it when absolutely necessary, and be disciplined about replenishing it if you do have to dip in. Your emergency fund isn't a set-it-and-forget-it kind of thing. Life circumstances change, and your financial safety net should adjust accordingly. Review your fund at least once a year, or whenever you experience a major life change like getting married, having a baby, or switching jobs. Make sure your fund still covers your essential expenses and adjust your savings goal if needed. And that's it. Building an emergency fund might feel overwhelming at first, but remember, it's all about taking small, consistent steps. Start with a modest goal, automate your savings, and make adjustments along the way. Before you know it, you'll have a solid financial cushion that can give you peace of mind no matter what life throws at you.